Hi Sas'ke, thanks. Finally I'm back with a new video in English. Yeah! I'm able to speak in English this time, even if I'm tired because I had a lot of things to do in this week. Oh my god, I have to work. But my really pleasure is to do review about Gamiss. Probably you'll think, why Sas'ke is buying a lot from Gamiss? I have to say something about this site that I didn't explain to you in the last video's review. When you receive the products, you can review on the site with videos, photos, a comment, and they give you some points. If you have a lot of points, you can buy other things for free. And that's what I'm doing. I have a lot of things thanks to the first order that I received some months ago, and thanks to the points I'm buying a lot of things that I want to show to you. This time I'm wearing this jacket and also the pants that I can show you to you. Yeah, let's show it. Here it is. Yeah, I'm naked, half naked in a video. Oh no, I didn't open a Patreon. Oh my god, I'm blushing. Oh no, don't look at me. Anyway, here it is, the jacket. I use it when I go to the gym, and it's really warm. Also, I have to show you the pants. Let's take off the pants. Yeah, I'm taking off the pants and I'm in front on the windows, so hi. Here it is, the pants. Really warm it too. I'm very satisfied about the high quality of the materials. Also, it's cool. Let's wear again. Here I am with this jacket. I love it. It's really comfortable. Also, this time I chose again a trousers. But last time it was just a little bit small for me, and this time it's just a little bit large. But it's really cool and I want to wear it even if it's large. Here it is. Yeah, it's cool, I love it. Oh, they are fake. But as you can see, it's just a little bit large for me. It's a Chinese size 32. Maybe I'm a 30. And at last I ordered this scarf. Yeah, it's really warm too. I chose a lot of things warm because in Italy it's really cold in January. Let's recap all. On Gamiss.com you can find a lot of things from necklace, jewelry, makeup, t-shirt, trousers, scarves, and also shoes. Yeah, I forgot them. I also ordered shoes. Here they are. I'm going to be a cool boy. As I was saying, go to the site, you can find everything, and high quality. I didn't expect it because every time someone brings buying something from China, it usually think about it's not high quality, especially if you are Italian, because we love made in Italy. Actually, made in China is really good and cheap, especially cheap. So on the site you can review the products you buy, and after you receive some points, and with these points you can buy other things for free. So it's very important, this thing, in my opinion, yeah, because I'm going to have a lot of things from Gamiss.com. Obviously worldwide shipping, so if you live in Malaysia, if you live in Africa, you can buy from the site. So thank you for watching this video, Saskittens. I hope to do soon another video about Gamiss or cosplay. Probably next video will be about cosplay, because I have to review some lenses for my next cosplay. And if you watch my Instagram stories, probably you know what I'm going to do for the next. See you in the next video, Saskittens. Bye bye. Don't forget, on 14 February it's Saint Valentine, so happy Saint Valentine from now. Probably I'll do a special video for you for saying you happy Saint Valentine's. I remember to you that I like white chocolate.